heading today to Quito, and on the way we're going to pass the Equator, which that feels pretty cool. That's definitely a milestone. Yeah, God, we had a great night last night though. Dude, we got a steak dinner, ribeye steak with salad and fries for $7, and then a giant beer, like the 600 milliliter beer, was $2.50. Yeah, I'm enjoying the prices here in Ecuador. Dude, yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad we took this road. Hope the others are too. Alright, so this is the way that Google Maps is trying to take us. Love it when stuff like this happens. There we go, off-roading in Ecuador. Off-roading in Ecuador. Seems like an odd place to stop in the middle of nowhere, but as it turns out, this is the Equator, right here. We're on the Equator. That's pretty cool. Woo!
I got it.
All right, well, this is it. This is the monument for the center of the world. Okay, that's it. See you later. Just kidding. It is weird to think I've ridden to Quito. I've ridden to the Equator. The nice thing is it's all downhill from here.
So who knows more about this monument? Do you, Blake?
Than you? Than the German? How much research did you put in before coming here?
I knew that the Equator separates our ball of the world in the south and north.
I think I found out about this monument 3 weeks ago.
So since we're at the Equator, I want to do a scientific test. This is a bottle of water. What I'm doing now, I'm breaking my fingers. All right, so see that piece of grass in there? I open the bottle now from below. Water should come out. Yeah, that works perfect. It should turn around. I saw somebody doing that, you know?
Sure.
Not here in Indonesia.
Sure.
And that was so impressive. This is not so impressive, I guess.
All right, well, Jorg's working on his scientific experiment. What's funny about this is, I've heard this is not the actual equator, that the actual equator is, I don't know, 250 meters the other way or something like that. Anyway, we are here at the Equator Monument, we'll say. And this afternoon we're gonna be heading to Quito. But yeah, this is kind of cool. It feels like a bit of a milestone to actually have done this. So looking forward to a few days in Quito.
I took more water. I shortened the straw, and we're a little bit more far away from the equator line. So next try, I open it up. Let's see if it turns one direction. Voila. Ah, the straw. Are you laughing?
No, no, not laughing at all.
Look, it turns. You see that? It turns counterclockwise. You see that?
I see.
Okay. Okay, fill it up again. Stand by. Now we're crossing the equator line over there. Follow me. Equator. Me. Water. Same piece of grass in there. Straw. Opening it up. Counterclockwise. Like before. I like this test. It doesn't work at all. But I still hope you had entertaining 5 minutes, because this didn't work at all.
Jorg, what do you think of the bus ride?
A little bumpy, but nice.
Alright, just at the park. Anyway, and so we're going to be hiking up. It's supposed to take us about an hour, 45 minutes. We will see. What an incredible view. Not me. Things in the background, of course. Jorg and I are definitely feeling the effects of altitude as far as I don't. Yeah, he looks great. No problem.
Smoking.
I was gonna say, don't smoke, kids. Oh. Well, I made it above 15,000 feet. There's the sign just down there beside the little refuge hut. It's harder than it looks, that's for sure. Got not much farther to go. I'm gonna see if I can get to the snow line. Oh, you see Jorg just coming over the crest there. Oh, he's gone into the clouds now. Oh, the altitude is no joke. I can only imagine. I talk about if you've just come from sea level and then you come here. Oh my goodness, yeah. We've been thankfully up in Colombia and Ecuador for a few days at least to acclimatize a little bit. Oh look, I got a big plume coming out from the volcano. Ooh, can smell some sulfur. This is so cool. 5,000 meters. Made it past the snow line. Cotopaxi. Got a long hike down. Much easier though.
He's an expert.